Welcome back to Review Central. Here's how to get the most out of this channel. Start with our sections. If you're preparing for school admissions or scholarship qualifiers, begin here. For Philippine licensure exams, head to this section. For international and overseas professional certifications, scroll down to this section. If you want to focus on building proficiency in academic subjects like math and science, this next section is where you should go. Reviewing for the Philippine bar exam, or simply aiming to boost your mastery of Philippine laws and jurisprudence, we have a section dedicated to Philippine law reviewers. We also have a section for study and review tips, strategies, and test-taking techniques to help you perform in exams better. If yet undecided and just looking around, check out our popular videos to see what others are reviewing, or browse shorts for really quick review sessions anytime. As you watch, pause and answer each question first. Treat every video like a real exam. Even a few minutes of focused review each day can make a big difference. Pick a section, start reviewing, and stay consistent. Happy reviewing!